Hey, what's up, millionaire? So, what's going on, my BitTorrent special holder brother? What's going on? In this video, I am telling you to this is selling time or buying time of BitTorrent coin. So, let's see the start. Let's get started this video. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe this channel before I start video. Please subscribe for latest news and good updates and all good decision which we upload for you and all crypto market crypto coins. So let's get started. But before I telling you to this video, I gonna show you the three charts, and then we decide to this is selling time, buying time, because these are our holding time, because these three charts is gone very important to you see it. So this time I gonna show you the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. As you can see here, the current chant as 3.23% going up. Oh my goodness, this is very big jump. You can see here that jump like a Spider-Man. They're going up like a rocket. Oh my goodness. BitTorrent holder, if you can see here, they sometimes they are gone down, but this is not a big dump. This is not a big, this is a small dump, but again I hope they're going up like a rocket. So let's see to what's going on in the 7 days. The 7 days result is also very important. So let's see, because the previous days all cryptocurrencies goes down. Yes, I am right, all cryptocurrencies goes down in the previous 7 days. So why they going down? This is one big reason, and the reason as that I already said it in my previous video. The reason as that this is the start of month and every cryptocurrencies goes down, but as you can see here in the last 24-hour result, they gone straightly. BitTorrent as one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, therefore they also gone sometime jump and the previous 7 days. So I hope in upcoming days they also gone up like a rocket. So let's see to what's going on in the last 1 hour. This is the last chart, guys. Then we decide to this is selling time or buying time. If you can see here in the last 1 hour result has gone absolutely good, and they're gone and they jump like a Spider-Man, gone like a rocket. What a shot, man. This is gone like electricity. What a shot. I hope in upcoming days they also the price etc is increasing, the current changes as increasing. So I hope the future the BitTorrent future is bright. BitTorrent future is also bright, because this is very fastest cryptocurrency. So my decision is that to please hold it. If you have any plan to buy more, then absolutely this is good time to you buy it. Please buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. They make you millionaire. Absolutely, they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you subscribe this channel, please, and also like this video. Please subscribe for latest videos and updates.